your side. Run the two.
I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
Boing, boing, boing.
You like that, Dutch?
Came over here for a better angle.
Buzz Lightyear reporting for sector duty.
Does his wings fold up?
Yes, it does.
This does.
See his wings?
Come here, bring it here and show it to me. What other to do?
I'm going to do things like this.
I am Buzz Lightyear.
And it does this one.
His head turns.
Yeah, his head turns.
Okay, what's next?
That's cool.
To infinity and beyond.
What else has learning? There's a lot of stuff here for Maggie and Will, too. Let's see here. See if you can find your name.
This is my name!
It is your name!
It's a big one.
This is my name!
Yay!
I found it! I'm ready! Ready!
Oh, Buzz has a friend! Yay!
And he has...
He talks too!
Mommy, what is that?
Woody's stuck.
You want me to take it out for you?
Yeah. He has a hat.
Let's see here. Ouch!
That's him.
Oh, well, you already
Tell
have.
Mommy get me a knife.
Mommy, can you give me...
Scissors right there.
Oh, scissors. I can...
Don't run.
Oh, here I am.
That's what we fell asleep on last night.
That's Maggie. See, it says Maggie right there. See, and to tag it, just say Maggie. What's that, Mom?
That's what we fell asleep to last night.
Uh-oh, you'll pull
Christmas Story.
Oops, careful, because it'll fall. It's just the right weight. Here, look up.
And who's this at me? But what cloak is that?
I think that says Grandma Jane. Well, they get those things. Those little elves work hard putting those things in those boxes.
And
I know, right?
But see, they have those little tiny hands, so
Here we go.
it's not
his
as hard
wings
for
pop
them.
out somehow. I need to read the direction. Retractable helmet.
There he is.
Howdy, hey. My name's Woody.
Zach.
Cowboy without a hat is like a YOLO without a hey. Oh, you found my hat. Thank you.
making a play area there. He must have learned that song from Maggie.
Look, Dutch. Look, when you step, it opens his mouth. See when you put him on? Look, Dutch. Look, Dutch.
Maybe Santa Claus really brought those for Mommy.
You gotta just put my foot in there. Look, Dutch.
But where's one present?
Oh, I have some in there. Santa brings presents for little kids. Oh, especially sweet ones. Let's see what else. I want to see how Buzz's wings go up and down. Oh, look. Click down. Then how do you make them go happy? Do you see how I did it? Look. You push
I
them
want to open that thing.
and
Thing.
like
Hey,
that.
Mommy, I want
And then
to
you want to see how you do it?
No, I want to
Push that red
open
button
that.
right there.
I want to open this thing.
Okay.
It's like a cat with a toy. It's done. It's
Can you see another round?
no more.
He can. I think he can. He won't stand.
Ah!
Maybe he has to get him short.
You push that in, and then you put him down. And push the red button in his ears. His wings. His ears poked out.
There we go. He can stand now. Only one wasn't.
Can you hold that right quick while I get my coffee?
Is it recording?
Yeah, if I stop it will end the thing. I don't know how to-
Good morning.
Mama.
Oh, ooh, I get a bite of chocolate. Thank you. You're so sweet. Was that for me to bite or hold?
Can we open this thing? So,
What is that?
I'm in a car.
Okay. Daddy, do you have the scissors?
What did you get?
It was from Santa.
What is it?
Oh, no. Let mommy do it.
I can get it.
No.
Let Mommy cut those things.
Go look up where you do it exactly. Where'd you put it? Right there. He's recording the ceiling. He had the scissors. He was going to poke his eye out. Elves like tape.
Just now.
Well, Just I gotta make sure that it doesn't come open. Oops, I just recorded myself. Didn't mean to do that.
Oh, wow.
Not before my coffee.
You're recording me doing that.
No, I'm recording my coffee cup.
Right.
Friends laugh with you, and friends are forever. Oh, and
Guess who gave me that?
Friends accept and forgive.
I think you're a little whitey boy at tree.
Actually,
Right now we're getting somewhere.
there's Krispy Kreme donut holes over there too.
This is my name.
No, that's Zach. It says Zach.
Oh, this
Yeah, it does.
Come here, Dutch. I think this shoots rockets somehow.
Aren't yours all together in one pile?
I don't think so. I think they're all
Oh, God.
alright.
I think they're kind of like this. Like that. Well,
And then we got little dudes here.
oh. Mommy, I'll bring